Okay, video update time. We are looking at the garage. Okay, we do have still lots more to do, so a lot of materials still here to use. Okay, we are looking. It's the back door leading into the backyard. Let me make sure that's locked. Oh, goodness gracious. Alright, hold on. Alright, good now. Alright. Now the shop, we have a mess. We're still working, so we kind of just brought everything out. We can go through and organize it next time we're here. But our washer and dryer ready to go. We have a little setup over here. It's like our little snack station for when the kids are here. If we're here all day, we end up having to eat here. Leading into the house, we have, this is the laundry room area. We have our cabinets over here for folding and whatever else. This door does still need to be replaced. The laundry area is tiled, ready to go. We still have to repair that area up there as soon as the roof is done. And we have the girls' room. Look, got doorknobs, guys. Okay, we have some carpet in here that still needs to be installed. We need some carpet padding and someone that would like to help with that. There we have it, the girls' room. They picked their colors themselves. All right, so this leads into the living room. Okay, there we go. Everything's painted, floors are done. This is more carpet for the bedrooms. And then this is open. Okay, so this is the foyer area. Remember, we had to fix the corners and stuff. That's all done. Okay, come in here. We have this is the hallway leading to the bedrooms. Okay, so we have this one. Got doorknobs on. Woohoo! I did that today. Okay. We still need to lay the carpet in here, but other than that, it's done. Okay, this is the other bedroom. Okay. Looks like it needs another coat of white, maybe. All right, the bathroom. Remember the hard time we had with the bathroom, guys? Oh my gosh. Finally done. Finally done. Just little touch-ups is what we need to do in here. We need to hang our mirror. Maybe a little touch-up on the light switch above the thing needs a little patch. Okay. Countertop in. Backsplash done. Sink in. Done, done, done. Okay, for the lights, I will be taking that and spraying that with like a brushed nickel finish. So I'll be working on that eventually. Okay, come through here and you're going to be led into the dining room area. So this is the dining room area. Okay, that's the pantry right in there. This is the kitchen. This was another big deal. It took quite some time to get done. I finally got the can light, the rings in, trim rings. I got them in. Don't they look beautiful? Very nice. And there's our countertops. I love how the glass tiles on the wall just sparkle when you turn the light on. They're so pretty. Look, my kids already have fingerprints on the dishwasher. Yep, and then over here, he even put the glass tiles on the niche and trimmed it out. I painted it. I don't know if you remember when I had paint in my hair. That's what I was painting. That right there. Totally stuck my hair right in it. Yep, I tried to paint it with my hair. All right, that's gonna lead into the office. Sorry about the mess in here. I do sometimes find the kids in here lounging on my zebra chair, taking a nap while we're hard working and they're supposed to be helping. Okay, I still have to switch out the ceiling fan in here. I'd like to put a chandelier of some kind, even if it's a cheap one, but that can wait for later. I really just want to move in. I don't really have the money to do that right now. Okay, this is the master bedroom. Again, we're still waiting on carpet, so it's a matter of having the money to buy the padding that we need for the carpet because it's expensive, and then having someone that can help us install it because we might be able to do it, but if we want it to look good after all the hard work we put into this house, I would prefer to have a professional or someone professionalistic to do it. And the master bathroom. Do you guys remember? We went through so much to get this bathroom done. So much. Okay. It's done. Painted and everything. Painted these drawers. I do need to put some more knobs on these drawers, but I'll get around to that. Dun, 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 dun. And then we need a mirror here, and then that's another fixture I'm probably gonna spray. I wouldn't mind having a big one that ran the length of that vanity. Joe said he wants a new one anyway. All right, let's see here. We're gonna go through here. Let me turn some lights off. All right, so we go through here. In case you guys have missed, there's one of my kids. There's Nicholas. He looks like he's had a rough day. Nicholas, clean up in the shop while you're waiting on me. Clean up this over here. All right, so let's lead through the garage. And then there hasn't been a whole lot done over here, but if you guys do remember, we had to fix the staircase. It was not up to code. So Joe is working on closing this wall in, and he rebuilt the staircase, and here now it's got enough height for your head to walk through, so it looks much better, and the stairs are even now, whereas before they were all different sizes, which is crazy. Up here we really haven't done a whole lot, but I think since like the last video, the only thing that we've done in here is install the bathtub. So if you guys have not seen the bathtub, we do have that installed, and it's kind of been put on a hold up here. This is where they said they don't have a building permit for up here, which would have been the responsibility of the previous homeowner, but since we're here now, we gotta do that. But yeah, so, well, I mean, other than that, all I have left to show you is the front deck that Joe finished. So I'll walk around and show you that. And then aside from that, that's it. Do you hear all the frogs and the crickets and the birds, dogs? Yeah, we're used to being in the city. We don't hear all of that much. They are really loud. Alright, so I know we were worried at one point about not having enough money to do the deck, but we somehow scrounged up enough to build it all the way out to the concrete stairs that were out here. So I'm very happy about that. So now we have a full-sized deck. Oh, I was so worried about having this huge entryway and then a really small deck. It would just not make any sense. And then the stairs here were kind of just here, and you couldn't move them because they're so heavy. So I was so worried about not having enough wood to build all the way out, because then you would have some random stairs in front of your doorway that didn't lead to anywhere. So I'm so glad we had it. Yeah, thank you guys so much just for everything you guys do. Just watching my videos, buying stuff for my videos, even just sharing my videos so that your friends maybe see it and buy stuff. You guys have all been a huge part. Your prayers have meant the world to our family. So just thank you so much for making this dream come true, and just continue to pray for us to be able to get this job completed so we can move in. And just thank you so much. And I'll see you next time. Bye.